How did you do that? That's not right. That's not right. We come in and he's already halfway up this 10-foot ladder. Oh my goodness, Logan Thomas. Could you at least go up the traditional way with your feet? Oh my goodness, and he's shaking it. Are you trying to freak me out?
Look at that, no hands.
No hands. You are just like your daddy. Logan, are you just like daddy? Oh yeah, shake it. There you go. Oh yeah. It's not scary enough for you. Oh.